And Marlo.
Yeah, there. Ate Janela also. Marlo?
Yes.
Ay!
Basta. Dito. And again, it's gonna be a fun night. And for sure, magugustuhan niyo yung story nito kasi ako, favorite ko talaga yung ganitong genre.
Yes, tama.
As in, pampatulog ko talaga to. So, nung nalaman ko na ito yung character na kasamahan ko, agad-agad. And of course, ang galing ng cast, ang galing ng mga crew. It's just a blessing to be here.
Can you give us a sneak peek kung ano ba or sino ba ang character mo? Without spoiling. Or bawal? Masa-spoil mo?
Bawal siya, pero ito yung pinaka-favorite na character na ginawa ko sa buong
In
buhay
your
ko.
whole life?
Yes, in
wow!
my whole life.
I love
Ito
it.
yung pinaka-kakaiba na ginawa ko sa lahat ng mga shoot ko ever. And ito din yung pagbabalik ko sa acting.
Yes.
So nag-pose ako for 3 years. So the grandest comeback.
I love it. Congratulations, Mars. Okay.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat na nandito at sumusuporta at nandito ko para, of course, mag-supported sa lahat at syempre kay Sue. So, ayun. Saan po manood kayo?
Yes, thank you so much. Dominic
Salamat,
Roque.
Dominic. Please proceed na tayo sa Cinema
Yes,
7.
go ahead.
Thank you. Hi, Dom. Pwede samahan mo naman kami sa stage.
Yes. Yourself, and of course, do you have a message for everyone here tonight?
Hi po, ako po si Josh Andrewersi. I just want to say thank everybody for coming and thank you for supporting the cast. I can't wait to watch this series and support everybody in the cast.
Perfect.
Ayan, please. Akit lang tayo din sa
Yes, hello.
that you get to enjoy the show as much as we enjoyed making it. And yeah, thank you for coming.
Okay, Kuya JM.
Hi everyone, salamat po sa pagpunta, salamat sa oras. Sana hindi kayo masyado ng traffic. And pauwi, sana hindi rin kayo ng traffic. Enjoy niyo po sana and help us spread the word. Thank you.
Jason.
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you guys enjoyed the first 3 episodes of What Lies Beneath. And I hope you guys are excited as we are. So enjoy.
Jake Cuenca.
Yes, good evening everyone. Please help us spread the word. October 17 po sa Netflix, What Lies Beneath. October 18 on I Want, October 20 on Free TV. And of course, gusto ko lang magpasalamat din sa mga editor natin. I heard they're all here tonight. Mapapansin nyo, napakagaling ng editing ng show. So, I want to give a special heads up kasi the editors of the show are so brilliant and you're gonna see it. So, thank you guys.
Word about the beautiful series. Maraming salamat for your time tonight. Enjoy everyone.
Yes, thank you so much to our lead cast. Okay, quick photo op muna before we let you guys head on over to your seat. Ang next niyan, Philippine Arena na.
Yes, i-play natin yan. Malay natin. So, after the photo, please, samahan nyo kami dito sa stage.
O, diba? BGYO, for us at the present. Feeling ko ito si JL, pagod na siya kaka-volleyball.
Depende kung kailan naya na ako.
Yes, okay, let's have JL and Jello here up on stage.
Hi! Good evening!
Uy, si Eric.
Hi, Kuya Dom. Mama, binagbugbog. Kalma, ipaano mo naman si Reggie. Kawawa naman. Every time, Kota na dyan. Tama. Wala ka na pa sa doon. Naiya ka pang hayop, bro.
B2, alis ka dyan.
Di, sali mo ko, Joe.
Wow.
Sali mo sa content.
Sino ba kasi yung L? Ay! Hi! Sino ba? Luisa kasi yun. Ah, akala ko ano. Luisa.
Crystal.
Asan? Kota? Diyan. Ano nga dyan?
Maganda cellphone ah. Papicture ako sa dongkat. Hi, Derek. Yes.
Hello. Kabog naman ni John, Kota.
Meron ka ba?
Wait na lang daw.
Hindi pa rin tapos na video. May camera to guys. Everyone's sleeping.